A wild animal finds its own food, shelter, water, and all its other needs in a specific natural habitat. Names of wild animals are elephant, lion, tiger, deer, giraffe, horse, monkey, alligator, zebra, bear. Domesticated animals are animals that have been selectively bred and genetically adopted over generations to live alongside humans. Habitat can be a field, wood, pond, wetland, or etc. Some of the domestic animals are cow, cat, dog, donkey, goat, hen, duck, camel, pigeon, rabbit. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.